Every day, millions of US dollars are used around the world. But have you ever wondered how a simple piece of currency becomes one of the most secure forms of money on Earth? Let's go behind the scenes to discover how US dollars are printed. Our journey begins deep within the secure facilities where technology and craftsmanship meet to create our currency. A dollar isn't just a medium of exchange. It is a marvel of engineering designed to be the most secure form of money in existence. To understand its power, we must look at the rigorous multi-stage printing process that transforms raw materials into legal tender. Surprisingly, US dollars aren't made from ordinary wood pulp paper. The composition is a secret behind its incredible resilience. Instead, they are produced using a precise blend of 75% cotton and 25% linen, ensuring a unique feel and durability. This specific material composition makes the currency significantly stronger, allowing it to withstand thousands of folds and everyday wear. Before any ink touches the surface, advanced security features are embedded directly into the paper to stay ahead of counterfeiters. These features include specialized colored security fibers and integrated watermarks that are visible only under specific conditions. Embedded security threads and reactive properties visible under UV light serve as critical barriers against replication. With the foundation secure, the printing presses begin the intricate task of applying the detailed designs. Large printing presses apply subtle background colors and fine line work that require absolute mechanical precision. Through intaglio printing, giant presses force thick ink into engraved plates, creating the distinctive raised texture you can feel. Every pressure point is calibrated to ensure the ink adheres perfectly to the cotton linen blend. Each note receives a unique serial number and official treasury seals, ensuring every single dollar is individually trackable. Advanced machine vision systems inspect every single sheet, instantly rejecting any note that fails to meet the highest quality standards. Once verified, large sheets are precision cut into individual bills, which are then automatically counted and bundled for security. The finalized currency is carefully packaged into bricks, ready to move from the secure facility to the Federal Reserve. From there, the dollars are delivered to regional banks, where they officially enter the national economy. From cotton fibers to your wallet, the journey of a dollar is a masterpiece of precision, quality, and rigorous security.